In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop in Adobe Express. Looping animations are perfect for adding subtle motion that repeats continuously, drawing attention without overwhelming your design. Think of a pulsing button, a gently moving arrow, or text that softly fades in and out. We'll walk through the exact controls you'll use to build that effect, with clarity and control. Start by opening the design in Adobe Express that you want to animate. This can be any project with text, graphics, shapes, or images. Make sure the canvas is visible and the element you have in mind is on the artboard so you can see changes as you make them. Next, click to select the specific element you want to loop. You can animate text layers, logos, icons, photos, or simple shapes. Selecting the layer tells Adobe Express exactly what to animate, and you'll notice the editing options update when the right thing is selected. Now, head to the animation controls. Depending on your layout, you'll find animation in the left panel or along the top. Click Animation to open the animation settings. Here, Adobe Express organizes effects into three categories: in, looping, and out. In controls how something appears at the start, out controls how it exits, and looping is the repeating motion that cycles continuously while your design is displayed. Choose looping as your animation type. Under looping, you'll see sub-animations such as visibility, move, and scale. Visibility creates effects like fade or blink to make an element appear and disappear rhythmically. Move shifts the element along a path so it can slide, drift, or bounce in a direction. Scale changes size over time, creating a pulse or breathing effect. Pick the sub-animations that match the tone of your design, subtle for professional layouts, more energetic for playful content. Once you've chosen the sub-animations, fine-tune the behavior using the controls for intensity, speed, direction, and personality. Intensity adjusts how strong the effect feels. For example, a slight scale versus a big zoom. Speed controls how quickly each loop completes. Slower speeds feel calm, faster speeds add urgency. Direction lets you choose where the motion travels, such as left, right, up, or down, which is especially useful for move animations. Personality changes the style of the motion from smooth and gentle to bouncy and lively, so you can match your brand's vibe. As you tweak these settings, watch how the element behaves on the canvas. Aim for motion that enhances readability and focus. When it feels balanced and intentional, your loop is ready. That's all there is to creating a looping animation in Adobe Express.